Hello friends, in this video we will understand how the sum of square function works. So for us to understand the sum of square function, I have taken a sample data here. So before we understand the function, let's first understand what is the concept by manually doing it, and then we'll also apply the function. So here I have taken numbers like 10, 10, 10 in 3 rows, 9, 8 and 7. So if I wanted to know the sum of square, what I can do is I can apply the square function. So 10 square will be 100, and then I can copy paste this. And similarly, 9 square, and I can copy paste the same formula for 8 and 7. And finally, I can apply the sum function. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sum up the squared values, individual squared values, and that gives me 494. So instead of doing all this manually, we can apply the sum of square function. And how sum of square function will work? So sum SUM SQ. So that would be the sum of square function. And when I select this, and I can select the range of data. So here I am selecting the entire range of data, and I am closing the bracket. So it will give me the same value that we individually or manually calculated one by one for these 6 values. So individually we squared it, and finally we applied the sum function. So here also we are applying sum of squares, where automatically it will square the individual values and then sum it up. So this is how the function works. Now we will understand where do we apply this? Where is the practical application? For example, area of rectangle. The formula of area of rectangle is the sum of the length and the sum, that is the sum of the length square and sum of the height square. For example, if the length is 8 centimeter and height is 14 centimeter, 8 square plus 14 square will be the area of a rectangle. So if we want to do it manually, it will be 8 square, and then it will be 14 square, and then we need to add these two. Then we get 260, which will be the area of this rectangle. So instead of doing this manually, what we can do is we can apply the sum of square formula. So is equal to sum of square. I select these values 8 and 14, and it will return the same 260 for us. So this is where, so places where you need to sum the square of individual values, you can apply the sum of square function. Friends, I hope this video was useful. So see you in another video where we will explain about different formulas and functions available in Google Sheets. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching.